So you have a carnation and it currently looks like this. You want it to look like this. Here's how you do it. You're gonna take your carnation and you're going to very gently just take your fingers, rubbing on this little part right here. And this is going to open up this center of the carnation. So I'm gonna switch hands because I am right-handed. And I'm just gonna do that until it feels nice and loose. And then I'm gonna start fluffing the carnation open a bit. Spinning that around as you pinch the flower. Now you can see that it's starting to open up here. And if you see any spots that are like really firm still, you can actually just go back and kind of press in there until you're able to open. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a like, give us a follow, share this with any of your DIY flower friends who might be interested in learning how to make their carnations open, beautiful, and fluffy.